Integrate 2x plus 1 the whole square with respect to x. So let I be equal to integration of 2x plus 1 the whole square dx. Now let us use the expansion formula, that is a plus b the whole square. So that will be the first step. So using the expansion formula, we'll have a square plus 2ab plus b square, and further we get integration of now 2x the whole square, so that's 4x square, 2 times 2x, that's 4x into 1, so here we have 4x and 1 square is 1, so plus 1 and dx. And now we could easily integrate the three terms. So we have 4 times integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 4 times integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 is 1 times x, so that is x plus c. This could be further written as 4 by 3 times of x cube, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so we have plus 2 times x square plus x plus c. Integrate 2x square minus 3 the whole square with respect to x. So let I be equal to integration of 2x square minus 3 the whole square. Now first of all, we will apply the expansion formula, that is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us expand this. So this would become 2x square the whole square minus 2 times 2x square into 3 plus 3 square. And further we obtain, so we have integration of now 2 square, that's 4, x square the whole square is x raised to 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are is 12, so 12 times x square plus 3 square is 9. And now we could easily integrate the three terms. So 4 remains as it is. Now integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 12 times integration of x square is x cube upon 3 plus integration of 9 is 9x plus c. Now we could simplify this further. So we have 4 by 5 into x raised to 5. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are is 12. So we have minus 4 times x cube plus 9x plus c. Integrate 3x square minus 5 the whole square with respect to x. So let I be equal to integration of 3x square minus 5 the whole square. Now here we use the expansion formula a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us expand this. So we have 3x square the whole square minus 2 times 3x square into 5 plus 5 square. So here we have used the expansion formula and we simplify this further. So we have 3 square is 9, so this becomes 9 times x square the whole square. So that's x raised to 4 minus 2 3s is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So this is 30 into x square plus 5 square is 25. And now we integrate each of the three terms. 9 is the coefficient, so we have 9 times integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 30 times integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of 25 is 25 times x plus c. Now this could be further written as 9 by 5 into x raised to 5. 3 ones are 3 tens are is 30. So we have minus 10 times x cube plus 25x plus c.